Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, checking your phone, and seeing that while you were asleep, you made $33. Doesn't sound like a fortune, right? But do that every single day, and you've just unlocked an extra $1,000 a month. For most of us, that extra $1,000 covers rent, groceries, or finally starts an investment portfolio. But in 2026, the internet is noisy, and passive income has become a buzzword for scams. Today, we are cutting through the noise. I'm going to show you 7 legitimate, realistic paths to hit that $1,000 a month milestone this year, specifically designed for beginners. Hi everyone, and welcome to the very first video here on Money Streams. If you're new here, which you definitely are, we are all about building sustainable wealth without burning out. Today we are breaking down the magnificent 7 of passive income. Now, a quick reality check before we dive in. Passive doesn't mean magic. It usually means working hard once upfront to get paid repeatedly later, or letting your money do the heavy lifting for you. We're going to range from super easy low barrier methods to creative methods that require a bit of elbow. Let's start with the absolute easiest method. If you have money sitting in a standard checking account, you are effectively losing money due to inflation. In 2026, strategy number 1 is high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit CDs. Interest rates are still offering a decent return for savers. This is what I call lazy money. You put your emergency fund or savings into a verified high-yield account, and the bank pays you interest every month just for keeping it there. To hit $1,000 a month strictly with this method requires a large upfront capital, so this is usually a helper stream. It won't get you to $1,000 alone unless you're already wealthy, but it's the foundation. It's risk-free cash flow that requires zero effort once set up. Moving up the ladder, let's talk about the stock market, but not the scary day trading kind. These companies share their profits with you, usually every quarter. This is true passive income. You buy the shares, and you do nothing. To reach $1,000 a month here takes time and compounding, but it is the most reliable way to build wealth over decades. The key in 2026 is consistency. Automating a deposit from your paycheck every month, so you don't even have to think about it. Now, let's trade money for time and creativity. Strategy number 3 is selling simple digital products. This is huge for 2026 because the tools to create these are better than ever. I'm talking about templates, printables, spreadsheets, or mini guides. Do you know how to organize a budget in Excel? Do you have a specific workout routine? Have you made a checklist for moving houses? You create this file once, that's the work. Then you list it on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site. Every time someone downloads it, you get paid. You don't have to ship a box. You don't have to manage inventory. If you sell a $10 budget template, you need to sell 100 copies to hit your $1,000 goal. That is very achievable if you solve a specific problem for a specific group of people. Strategy number 4 is affiliate marketing. This is essentially being a digital middleman. You connect a customer to a product they need, and you get a commission for the referral. You don't need to own the product, ship it, or deal with customer service. You just need trust. You can do this through social media, an email list, or review content. The secret to success in 2026 isn't spamming links everywhere, it's authenticity. If you genuinely love a piece of software, a kitchen gadget, or a book, sign up for their affiliate program. When you recommend it to your friends or followers, use your unique link. If they buy, you get a slice of the pie. This leads perfectly into strategy number 5, blogging and niche websites. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is blogging dead? Absolutely not, but personal diaries are dead. Informational sites are thriving. People are constantly searching for answers. If you build a simple website dedicated to a specific topic like urban gardening, mechanical keyboards, or coffee brewing, you can monetize the traffic. You earn money through display ads, those banners you see on sites, and the affiliate links we just talked about. It takes a few months to write the articles and get traction, but once a post ranks on Google, it can bring you passive income for years. Strategy number 6 is exactly what you're watching right now, YouTube. But specifically, YouTube automation or faceless channels. You don't have to be on camera to make money here. There are thousands of channels that produce content using stock footage, voiceovers, and simple scripts covering topics like history, meditation, tech news, or scary stories. Once your channel is monetized, YouTube places ads on your videos and splits the revenue with you. Plus, you can asterisk at affiliate links in the description. It's a powerful double dip of income. It requires consistency to start, but a library of 50 videos can generate passive views 24/7. Finally, strategy number 7 involves licensing your existing skills. This is for the creatives, photographers, musicians, and graphic designers. Instead of working for a client who pays you once, you can upload your assets to marketplaces. Stock photos on Shutterstock, background music on Audio Jungle, or vector icons on Creative Markets. This is digital real estate. You do the work of taking the photo or making the beat one time. Then, businesses all over the world pay a small fee to use it in their projects. You might only make $1 per sale, but if you have hundreds of assets online, that volume adds up fast. So, there you have it: high-yield savings, ETFs, digital products, affiliate marketing, blogging, YouTube, and licensing. Here is the secret to hitting that $1,000 a month. Don't try to do all 7 at once. Pick one, master it, get it to $200 a month. Then, stack the next one on top. If you found value in this list, please hit that like button. It really helps this new channel grow. And make sure to subscribe to Money Streams, because in the next few videos, we're going to do a deep dive into exactly how to set up that digital product shop from scratch.